Dear students, today we will study the single phase half wave control rectifier with lamp load. The apparatus required is Syntec 2700 high voltage power electronics lab setups. We have required one thyristors and control circuit for the gate signal. Single phase half wave control rectifier consists of one thyristors and control circuit. Control circuit means it given pulse to the gate signals. The connection diagrams, the first that is the line connected to the anode, and again the cathode terminals means this point is connected to the load. All three points are sorted. You can connect any one point. And load's next point is connected to the neutral. And this point is connected to the neutral. Next step is this gate signal. This is the RAM comparator firing circuits. The RAM, this objective is provide the gate signal pulses to the thyristor gate signals. So this point is connected. G1 means for the gate pulse, G1 is connected to the this G points, and K1, this K1 is connected to the cathode terminals, and 5, 4 and 6 point are sorted. 4 and 6, and similar way the 5 and 7 point are sorted. Next point is this 18 volt is connected to the 18 volt low voltage power supply, and 0 connected to the 0, also connected to the 18 points, and next is 12 volt is connected to the 12 volt plus, and 5 volt is connected to the 5 volt, and last point is that is ground is connected to the ground terminals, G and D. Okay, this is control structure, control connections, firing circuits. Next step is this is load is operated as a breadboard. So connected the load, this 200 lamp, 200 watt lamp across the load, and connected voltmeter. Next step is connected the voltmeter across the load. This point is voltmeters. For the voltmeters, and next point is connected. This point is sorted, and next is the DSO is connected across the load. DSO, this is across the load. We observe the waveforms of single phase half wave control rectifier. Next step is connect to the emitters. Emitter is series with the load. This is complete connection diagram of single phase half wave control rectifier. This one thyristor connected the load, 200 watt lamp is connected across the load. This voltmeter indicate the voltage, this emitter is indicate current through the load. Okay, the first step is turn on the single phase low voltage power supply. Okay, and next step is given to the firing pulse to the thyristors. Okay, simply interchange this 18 volt to 18. Turn on the low voltage power supply. Low voltage power supply means it is given pulse to the thyristors. And next step is turn on the power supply. To turn on the power supply, here first we are getting near about to 135 degree. Firing angle is near about to 135 degree and voltage is 16 volt. And next step is change the firing angle. And voltage is 44 volt. Next, at the different firing angle and observe the output voltage at the 46 volt, 40 volt, 32 volt and obtain the firing angle. So observation table is firing angle and output voltage. At different voltage we can calculate with the help of this DSO, or you can calculate it mathematically. So we can calculate mathematically as well as with the help of DSO the firing angle and output voltage. So change the firing angle, change the output voltage 21 volts. Again change the firing angle, voltage is 16 volt and firing angle means firing angle is increasing, output voltage is decreasing. That is the inversely proportional. Okay, the conclusion of this is you are controlling the firing angle. Conclusion of this practical is changing this firing angle control, you can change the voltage, output voltage. Means you can change the voltage across the load, 25 volt, 27 volt, 30 volt, 35 volt. This is our objective of this 6 months. Thank you.